Imagine driving a Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 at a top speed of 304.77 miles per hour without having a seat belt installed. Disastrous, right? Well, if not until the late 1800s, there was no such thing as a car seat belt, all thanks to Niels Bohlin. Although the seat belt was invented by George Cayley, an English engineer in the 1800s, to keep pilots inside their gliders. But the first patented seat belt was created by Edward Claghorn on the 10th of February 1885 in order to keep tourists safe in Texas and New York. But the real breakthrough with modern-day car seat belts came in 1958 when Niels Bohlin, a Swedish mechanical engineer and inventor, who invented the three-point safety belt while working at Volvo. Bohlin was tasked by Swedish businessman called Angilio, who lost a loved one, with the task of producing something better and safer. After a year, Bohlin developed the modern three-point seat belt, and Volvo introduced the design in its cars. Up until this point, seat belts in cars were two-point lap belts, which strapped across the body, with the buckle placed over the abdomen. Volvo hired Bohlin in 1958, and he designed the seat belts we know today through a three-point seat belt that better protects the driver and passenger in an accident. The three-point design was created to help secure both the upper and lower body. Better yet, this seat belt design was simple and effective, leading other car manufacturers to borrow the design. Niels Bohlin was a known philanthropist, and in 1974, he was awarded the Ralph Esprent Automotive Safety Engineering Award, and in 1989 he was inducted into the Hall of Fame for Safety and Health. He received a gold medal from Royal Swedish Academy of Engineering Sciences in 1995, and in 1999 was inducted into the Automotive Hall of Fame. Sadly, Niels Bohlin died in 2002 at the age of 82 of a heart attack and was buried at Torpa Church in Ramfall, Idre municipality, Sweden. Volvo had estimated that the seat belt had saved more than 1 million lives in the 4 decades since it was introduced. To see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.